Assalamu alaikum. Are you preparing for the law admission test, LAT, and feeling anxious about it? Worry no more. You're at the right place. Join Dynamic Law Association today for comprehensive and effective preparation of law admission test. Let us guide you towards success with expert instructions and proven strategies. Your future in law starts here. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge, skills, and confidence needed to excel in this critical exam and secure your place in a top law school. Join Dynamic Law Association today and take the first step towards a successful legal career. We offer online live lectures where you can learn from expert tutors from the comfort of your own home. Our proper counseling sessions will help you overcome any challenges and doubts you may have. Our quiz series will test your knowledge and prepare you for the law admission test, or LAT. Our weekly mock tests will help you track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Our quality material is designed to help you understand complex legal concepts with ease. Our research on past papers will give you an idea of what to expect in the LAT and help you prepare accordingly. Our counseling services will guide you through the admission process, ensuring you make the right choice for your legal career. Why choose us? We offer a top-notch program designed to help you succeed in the legal profession. Our experienced faculty is dedicated to helping you achieve your goals, and we offer great opportunities for growth through mock tests, quizzes, and many more. Feel free to reach out with any questions. We look forward to welcoming you to DLA. For more information, contact us at WhatsApp 0327842067